Okay, people might enjoy this one. This is how to do a repair on one of my favourite snowboarding jackets. As you can see, I tore this up and the trees on my sleeve. Let's see what it looks like after I've finished. Well, jacket is in, and even I'm surprised. Now, what I still have to do, I've done one side with tape, and as you can see, the tape is right here. And then I'm trying to repair in here. It should be alright. Most of the repair is just about complete with the white, and a bit of missing is that part of the blue on the right. I just didn't quite get there. Maybe next time. I'll always on the chance. Anyway, so as you can see, the last of the repair just almost about to be covered with a crisscross stitch right there, right there, and you can see that my repair is almost fixed. And the finished repair. If you can see up top, you can see there's still some tape there, and just that little tear that I couldn't quite get to because of this edge stitch. But that's what the finished product looks like with a repair. Must admit, quite happy.